Hey there. Welcome back to day 5 of our English Easy Practice series on the English Expert podcast. I'm Alex, your personal English guide, and I'm so happy to be here with you again today. This video is made just for you, my beginner learner, to help you improve your English speaking skills. Since it's just you and me, I'm going to guide you step by step to make speaking English easy and more fun. Today's lesson is called Day 5, Shadowing English Speaking Practice for Beginners. Learn English Conversation. We'll follow the same 4 parts as before: listening practice, vocabulary, listen and answer practice, and shadowing practice. Are you ready to keep learning and speaking English with me? Let's get started. Part 1, English Listening Practice. Let's start with some listening practice to train your ears for real-life English. I'm going to share a new short story with you, and I want you to listen carefully to understand the meaning. Here's the story. My name is Maria, and I'm from Spain. I'm learning English because I want to study abroad. I arrived 5 days ago, and I'm staying in a cozy hostel near the city center. My teacher, Miss Sarah, is from New Zealand. She's very cheerful and makes us laugh in class. In the morning, I wake up at 7 a.m., have coffee, and walk to school. After class, I visit a nearby cafe to practice speaking with locals. I like writing in my English journal because it helps me think in English. That's the story. I'll ask you some questions about it later. So let's move on to the next part. Part 2, Learn vocabulary. Now, let's learn some new words together. Just you and me. I'll explain a few words from the story and use them in simple sentences to help you understand them better. First word, abroad. It means in another country. For example, I want to study abroad next year. Let's say it together. I want to study abroad next year. Great. Next word, hostel. A place where travelers stay, like a shared hotel. For example, I stay in a hostel near the city. Repeat after me. I stay in a hostel near the city. Nice. Third word, cheerful. It means happy and full of energy. For example, my teacher is very cheerful. Let's say it together. My teacher is very cheerful. Good job. Last word, journal. It means a notebook where you write your thoughts. For example, I write in my journal every night. Repeat after me. I write in my journal every night. Awesome. Let's move to part 3. Part 3, Listen and Answer Practice. Now, let's do some interactive practice together. I'll ask you questions about the story I shared, and I want you to answer them out loud. Don't worry if you're not sure. I'll give you the correct answers right after. This will help you practice listening and speaking. Let's start. First question, is Maria from Spain? Yes, she is. She's from Spain. Where did Maria come from? She came from Spain. Did Maria arrive 5 days ago? Yes, she did. She arrived 5 days ago. Why does Maria want to learn English? She wants to study abroad. Where does Maria live? She lives in a cozy hostel near the city center. Is Maria's hostel far from the city? No, it isn't. It's near the city center. Is Miss Sarah from New Zealand? Yes, she is. She's from New Zealand. Is Miss Sarah cheerful? Yes, she is. She's very cheerful. What time does Maria wake up? She wakes up at 7 a.m. Does Maria have tea in the morning? No, she doesn't. She has coffee. Where does Maria go after class? She goes to a nearby cafe to practice speaking. Does Maria like writing in her English journal? Yes, she does. She likes writing in her journal. Great job answering. You're doing so well. Part 4, Shadowing Practice. Now, let's practice shadowing together. It's the best way to improve your speaking. Shadowing means you listen to me speak and repeat exactly what I say, right after me, trying to copy how I say it. This will help you speak more clearly and naturally. I'll say some simple sentences from the story, and you'll shadow me. If it's too fast, you can always replay this part. Let's start. My name is Maria. Repeat after me. My name is Maria. Good. I'm from Spain. Shadow me. I'm from Spain. Nice. I arrived 5 days ago. Repeat. I arrived 5 days ago. Let's do that one again. 3 times. To really practice. I arrived 5 days ago. Shadow me. I arrived 5 days ago. One more time. I arrived 5 days ago. Perfect. I live in a cozy hostel. Repeat. I live in a cozy hostel. Awesome. I wake up at 7 a.m. Shadow me. I wake up at 7 a.m. Good. I go to a cafe after class. Repeat. I go to a cafe after class. Great. I like writing in my journal. Shadow me. I like writing in my journal. You're doing amazing. Great job today. I'm so proud of you for practicing with me on day 5. Since it's just you and me, I want to remind you you're making awesome progress, and I'm here for you every step of the way. The best way to keep improving is to watch this video many times. The more you repeat, the better you'll speak. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the English Easy Practice YouTube channel for more lessons to help you speak English with confidence. If you love this lesson, please like and subscribe for more helpful content.